NLP techniques can be useful in improving your friendships by helping you communicate more effectively, understand your friends better, and develop deeper connections. By using these NLP techniques, you can improve your friendships and build deeper connections with your friends. Remember, building strong friendships takes time, effort, and patience. By using NLP techniques to improve your communication skills, understanding, and empathy, you can strengthen your friendships and enjoy more meaningful connections in your life. Here are a few NLP techniques that can help. 1. Active listening. Active listening involves fully focusing on what someone is saying without judgment or interruption. By practicing active listening, you can understand your friends better and build deeper connections with them. 2. Mirroring and matching. Mirroring and matching involve mimicking your friend's body language, tone of voice, and choice of words. This can help build rapport and establish a deeper connection with your friend. 3. Reframing. Reframing involves looking at a situation or issue from a different perspective. By reframing negative situations in a more positive light, you can improve your relationships with your friends and find common ground. 4. Anchoring. Anchoring involves associating a positive emotion with a specific stimulus. By creating positive anchors with your friends, such as a particular gesture or phrase, you can strengthen your friendship and create a deeper connection. 5. Calibration. Calibration involves paying attention to subtle changes in your friend's body language, tone of voice, and other nonverbal cues. By calibrating to your friend's emotional state, you can communicate more effectively and build stronger relationships. 6. Rapport building. Building rapport involves establishing a sense of trust and understanding with your friend. By using techniques such as mirroring and matching, active listening, and finding common ground, you can build rapport with your friend and deepen your connection. 7. Meta-modeling. The meta-model involves identifying and challenging limiting beliefs and assumptions. By using the meta-model to clarify your friend's thinking and challenge limiting beliefs, you can help them overcome negative patterns and strengthen your friendship. 8. Reframing. Reframing involves looking at a situation or issue from a different perspective. By reframing negative situations in a more positive light, you can improve your relationships with your friends and find common ground. 9. Positive language. Using positive language can help create a more positive and supportive environment in your friendships. By using positive language, you can encourage and motivate your friends and help them feel valued and supported. 10. Future pacing. Future pacing involves imagining a positive future outcome and working towards that outcome. By future pacing with your friend, you can help them visualize a positive outcome and work together towards achieving it. Remember, NLP techniques are just tools to help you improve your friendships. Ultimately, the key to building and maintaining strong friendships is to show genuine interest, empathy, and support for your friends. By using NLP techniques to improve your communication skills and deepen your connections, you can strengthen your friendships and enhance your overall quality of life.